Hey guys, I don't know if anybody's ran across this before or not, but I have a Kubota B2320, and sometimes when I'm out working near the road or plowing snow in the wintertime and stuff, I wanted to add a little more safety to letting people know, hey, I'm there. I mean, in case they haven't seen an orange tractor with all of its lights and four-way flashers on. So I decided to add a LED emergency strobe light, and what I found out was that it was going to be a little difficult to get to the wiring. Well, after I did a little digging into it, it seems that Kubota pre-wired an extra positive and negative wire to the right-hand rear fender, and I think this was for a utility or work light for on the back, which I might take advantage of that. So what I did was not to specifically have it hooked to any one light. I decided to put a female 12-volt receptacle that anything could be plugged into. Now I think this wiring is, I'll have to look at the schematics again, but I think it's rated for 5 amp, which is way more than most LED lights are that I would have on it are gonna be pulling. So I'll show you what I come up with here. I bought this 12-volt receptacle, just a female 12-volt receptacle at the auto parts store. Mounted it to the roll bar. Got the wires hooked up to it. Put them in this protective housing. Ran them underneath, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but right here and here are the two ends that were taped up in this bundle that they had already provided in this wiring harness. So I just simply connected into those. I tested it for voltage, and it has power as soon as the key is on, which is fine. So anyways, basically, as long as I stay, and I'll double check on this, as long as I stay below the rated amperages on this, anything that I want to plug into this requiring 12 volt DC power, I should be good to go. So here's the light that I picked up, and I just picked this up at Walmart. It's a magnetic base, although I'll probably go ahead and mount it to something that keeps it up high when I want it there, and then possibly maybe have it so that it folds down out of the way, because I know if I don't do something like that, yeah, the first time I go in the garage, this light's going to be history. So anyways, let's go ahead and give this thing a try and see what happens. Thing I liked about this light, with a lot of them don't have a lot of them, to turn them off and on, you actually have to plug and unplug them. This one has a push button on the end here that turns it off and on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the key, and yep, we've got power. Okay, I guess I got it. I guess it's lit all the time, just to show you that it has power. So we'll push it, and hopefully you can see that against the sky. But we've got a rotating strobe, and then there's supposed to be another option to this, so I'm going to push it one more time, and we're going to see. There we go. So now we've got a pulsating strobe, and one more should turn it off, and there it is. All right. So anyways, I don't know if this is been of any interest to anybody or not, but just keep in mind that I'm sure it's not just my model of tractor that Kubota may have pre-wired some auxiliary or spare wires in their wiring harness that you might be able to take advantage of if you're looking to do something like this. So just keep that in mind, because my tractor did not come with many bells and whistles. It's just my workhorse. So All right. Anyways, I'll keep you posted on if I run into any problems with this. But like I said, I mean, this light that I'm using, it pulls 0.4 amps, so it's not going to be an issue. So, anyways, till next time.